everyone and welcome to today's video. Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, couldn't be bothered to do my hair today. Everyone has those days. It's fine. Also, I have a fan on. I think you can probably hear it. It's actually pretty loud. I'm so sorry. Today I'm finally going to be filming a clothing haul, which I haven't done in so long. I put on my Instagram story that I've been sent some stuff by a brand called Prick. I always thought it was Pre, as in like French, like Pre. If you're French and you're reading it as Pre, so was I. But it's Prick, so don't come for me, okay? And so many of you guys want to see what was sent, what I got, so I'm obviously not being paid to say any of this stuff. I was just sent it, and I'm going to show you guys because the stuff is actually really cute. So on with the bit. Okay, so the first thing I got was this bag, and also before I start this as well, I want to say that I was in a very like autumnal cozy mood. Like, it actually wasn't that hot last week, and a lot of these pieces you cannot wear in summer. Like, they're definitely autumn winter pieces, but that's okay. That's okay, you know, summer doesn't last long anyway. So first thing I got was this cute little bum bag. This is honestly just my thing. It's just like your basic utility kind of bum bag. You also have like the logo strap, which I love. I really think that whole style of having it like an actual bum bag is so just overdone now. Like, I'm so tired of the trend, so I usually just have it straight across, or recently I've just been honestly holding it as like a handbag vibe. Just, you know, something cute, something different, because this whole round the waist vibe, I'm over it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so over it. The next two things I'm so obsessed with because I go away for a couple days on Tuesday, which I'm so excited about. But I got these like fleece jacket kind of things, and I know what you're thinking. Isn't it like 33-degree heat in the UK right now? Yeah, it is, but yeah, it is. These are just so comfy and so soft. Like, as soon as I saw them on the website, I was like, I need it in my life. I got two. I got one in beige, and then I also got one in grey as well. Last flight I went on, I was so cold, shivering so much. The flight attendant actually asked me if I was okay. She was like, are you okay? Like, you're shaking a lot. And I was just like, yeah, I just get so cold. And if I'm like traveling to the Middle East and like the desert, I would still wear this on the plane. So this is me trying to justify getting two fleeces in the height of summer. Yeah. I got both of these in a medium just because I wanted them to be really oversized and really comfy. And then in the winter, obviously, I'll layer up with like different jumpers and stuff underneath. So I went a size up. Everything else I got in either like an extra small or a small. The next thing I got were a pair of trousers, and if you watch my channel on a regular basis, you'll know I'm having a little bit of an issue with trousers right now. Everything is just way too big. So I picked up these, and originally I was like, they're probably not going to fit me. It's fine, I'll just give them to a friend or anything. They fit me. Like cargo kind of trousers, and I like these because they're a little bit more of the like utility vibe than like urban and like Topshop and that kind of thing. I think it's because they have like a thicker pocket. It's a lot more like Kim Possible, manly, worker kind of vibe rather than like a cargo trend, if that makes sense. These in an extra small, and just for reference, I usually wear a 23 waist. I'm sliding into my 24. Like I said, don't want to brag. It's just, this is just the vibe right now, guys. Okay, I'm genuinely, I think I'm putting on weight. Oh, actually, before we move on, my top is obviously also from them as well. This is just like a cute little bralette. I'm just wearing it with biker shorts today. This is my outfit. Hi, how are you? And I just pair this with white Air Forces and just like white socks, like scrunched down. I love this because I can wear a bra underneath it. I love bralettes, but most of the time they're really thin and you can't wear a bra under it. I'm wearing the Victoria's Secret one, which I was raving about in my last video. Everyone was asking the name of the style, and I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm going to link it down below. But it really is the bra of the century, if I do say so myself. It's a great bra. Cute, obviously just black, white, blends with the wardrobe. What can I say? So this next top was the whole reason how I discovered the brand on Instagram. I just saw everyone wearing this top, and I was just like, where is this from? A cropped high neck, and then it's also got long sleeves with these little like thumb details, which I love. Anyone else is the same, but for me personally, my sleeves have to like just hit my thumbs for me to feel comfortable in the top. Like, if it's just here, I don't know why, but I feel so weird. So having the thumb thing here just makes me feel like secured and loved, and I love it. I really do. I'll link it down below anyway, but I am obsessed. I mean, yes. So the next thing I got were two fleeces. I'm just gonna what are these called? Fleeces? Is that how you even a word. Guys, I've really been struggling with my vocab recently. Got 2 colours again because your girl loves variety. First one, I'm obsessed with this colour. Honestly, half my wardrobe at the moment is this like sandy beige kind of vibe. Originally, I wasn't into it because it was so close to my skin tone that some of the stuff did make me look kind of naked from afar. But now that I have a tan, it just kind of works. Got them in a medium again just because I wanted them to be a little bit oversized. These are cropped and you can bring them in at the waist even more as well. So they do look really, really good with high-waisted jeans, just a high-waisted dress. High-waisted dress is not a thing. On their website, they did like a little leotard moment. I don't know where you'd wear that to, but if you wanted to do that vibe, maybe a pool party, but in the evening time. Also got it in this grey as well because obviously anything black, white or grey I need in my wardrobe. See, both of them have the little tie bit at the bottom. They look so cute on and they're also really comfy. Ooh, sounds like ASMR. That is like the most aggressive ASMR I've ever experienced in my life. Next 2 things, again, 2 just in different colours. See these all over Instagram, and I'm not gonna lie, with the bodysuits, I was kind of like, is it just an Instagram trend? Is the quality gonna be nice? You know, sometimes you can't tell in pictures. Everything can look good in a picture, but in person it's very different. I can confirm the quality is amazing. Like, it's really, really nice. Also sits quite high as well, so you're going to be able to show a little bit of hip. I know it isn't for everyone, but it actually, like, it really shows some shape sometimes. So if you've never tried it, try it out, see if you like it. I feel like summer, again, summer evening, perfect time to try something like that. I do really, really like neon orange. I think it's because it goes really nice with, like, black outfits, and I obviously have so much black. So no, I really like this colour. I think, again, because I might have a tan, that might be why. Love. Lastly, clothes wise, I also got one of their dresses as well. I think these are called the night dresses, maybe. It's so nice. The material on them is so good. No matter what your shape, no matter what your size, height, these dresses are going to fit you so nicely. They just hug you in all the right places. I actually wasn't going to pick this up because I do feel like these dresses look amazing on really curvy girls, and I was like, my body shape isn't for it as much as I love it so much. Like, my body shape don't really wear this kind of thing. And then I was like, no, I don't want to be one of those people that just only shops for their body type. Even if I like something, I want to still be able to buy it and wear it. So I decided to get it. I was like, come on, you can do it. Even if you don't feel like it'll look good on you, buy it anyway. So I picked it up and I'm so glad I did because I love the dress. Like, it fits so nice. The material is so amazing. Like, the whole design of it is so me anyway. And it's black. It's like a little mini dress. It goes with everything. Love it. And lastly, I got some swimwear. I got this one, which is, again, in this like really nice beigey deep one. It's kind of like a light mocha, shall we say. And you could definitely wear this with like jeans, skirts, whatever, and it will look really good. It doesn't look like a swimsuit, but it obviously does come with the bottoms as well. They're like a little cheeky kind of vibe, perfect for tanning. I'm not going to be trying these on in my room today for you guys. You can wait on the gram and see them there because, I don't know, trying on little swimsuits like this in my bedroom really gives me Pornhub vibes, and just not down for that today. And then lastly, I also got a black bikini as well, and this is like a bikini, if you know what I mean. Just like a little triangle one. I need to be somewhere hot in this bikini, looking cute. So here we are. I'm halfway there. I've got the bikini. Just need to look somewhere hot. Somewhere hot. This one is like a legit thong bikini, so no tan lines. Just saying. Oh no, this mocha colour I got in an extra small, and then this one I got in a small because it's very small. Anyways, okay, so that is everything I picked up. Is it? Yeah. I love their quality. I love everything about their brand. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you did. I'm going to leave links to everything down below as well as sizes if you like want to refer back. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I always link it down below. I also link all my outfits over on my website as well, so if you want to find anything there, it'll be linked there, including what I'm wearing right now. Let me know if there's any other brands you want me to try out on Instagram. We could do like a little try on together maybe. What brand gets the most likes in the comments, I'll try it out for you guys, let you know my personal thoughts. But I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next Sunday.